JD Vance, a name that resonates across political corridors, philanthropic circles, and bestseller lists. From humble beginnings to a meteoric rise in politics and venture capital, Vance's journey is a fascinating tale of ambition, resilience, and transformation. Let's dive into the multifaceted world of JD Vance, exploring his achievements, milestones, and enduring impact. Raised in a struggling Appalachian community, JD Vance's life story is a testament to the power of perseverance. His best-selling memoir, Hillbilly Elegy, not only captured the essence of working-class struggles but also catapulted him into the national spotlight. From tackling systemic social issues through philanthropy to becoming a U.S. Senator, Vance has proven himself as a dynamic leader and changemaker. His ability to navigate diverse roles, author, politician, venture capitalist, and philanthropist, has solidified his position as a prominent American figure. JD Vance's political career reflects his evolution from a vocal critic of Donald Trump in 2016 to one of his staunchest allies by 2020. Elected as a U.S. Senator from Ohio, Vance's policy stances align with populist conservatism. He has been vocal on issues like limiting LGBTQ+ rights, opposing reproductive rights, and critiquing the recognition of climate change. Despite these controversial positions, his boldness in addressing topics often avoided by mainstream politicians has garnered both admiration and criticism. Internationally, Vance's views on the Russia-Ukraine conflict, including his opposition to U.S. support for Ukraine, highlight his non-interventionist approach. Before entering politics, Vance established himself as a successful venture capitalist. After graduating from Yale Law School, he joined Narya Capital, a prominent venture capital firm, and later founded Narya Capital in Ohio. The firm focused on funding startups in sectors like technology and healthcare, contributing to job creation and innovation in the region. Vance's business acumen not only showcased his strategic thinking but also emphasized his commitment to revitalizing Ohio's economic landscape. Born in Middletown, Ohio, Vance's upbringing was marked by adversity. Raised by a single mother and his grandmother, he experienced the challenges of poverty firsthand. Despite these struggles, he excelled academically, eventually joining the U.S. Marine Corps, where he served with distinction in Iraq. His service instilled in him discipline and a deep sense of purpose, qualities that shaped his future endeavors. After completing his military service, Vance attended Ohio State University and later Yale Law School, where he met his wife, Usha. Published in 2016, Hillbilly Elegy became an instant bestseller, striking a chord with readers for its raw portrayal of life in Appalachia. The memoir's success extended beyond literary circles, inspiring a Netflix adaptation and sparking national conversations about the struggles of working-class Americans. The book's cultural impact solidified Vance's reputation as a voice for marginalized communities and a thought leader on societal issues. Vance's Narya Capital has played a pivotal role in promoting innovation and economic growth. The firm's investments in groundbreaking technologies and startups have not only created employment opportunities but also enhanced Ohio's reputation as a hub for innovation. By focusing on underrepresented areas, Vance aimed to bridge the gap between Silicon Valley and Middle America, proving that economic progress need not be confined to coastal elites. Apart from his venture capital endeavors, Vance has made significant investments in real estate. His properties, strategically located in Ohio, reflect his belief in the state's potential for growth and development. These investments underscore his commitment to economic revitalization, aligning with his broader vision of empowering local communities. A symbol of American leadership, the Chevrolet Suburban has been a staple in JD Vance's political journey. Often used in motorcades for high-ranking officials, the Suburban's advanced security features, including bulletproof glass and reinforced steel panels, ensure the safety of its occupants. Equipped with encrypted communication systems and emergency medical supplies, it doubles as a mobile command center. Despite its defensive capabilities, the vehicle offers luxurious interiors, providing comfort during long journeys. In 2016, Vance founded Our Ohio Renewal, a nonprofit organization aimed at addressing critical issues like education and addiction in Appalachian communities. Despite its ambitious mission, the organization faced challenges due to limited resources and the scale of the problems it sought to tackle. Between 2017 and 2023, the foundation raised $69,000 but became dormant by 2019. In August 2024, Vance announced plans to dissolve the organization and donate its remaining funds to causes benefiting Appalachia. While his philanthropic ventures encountered obstacles, they highlight his commitment to social change. Additionally, Vance's critique of large charitable organizations, accusing him of wielding disproportionate influence, underscores his broader skepticism of big philanthropy. JD Vance's journey from an Appalachian upbringing to national prominence is nothing short of inspiring. Whether through his best-selling memoir, political initiatives, or venture capital efforts, he has consistently demonstrated a commitment to uplifting communities and challenging the status quo. His story is a reminder that ambition, resilience, and vision can transform lives and societies. If you enjoyed this deep dive into JD Vance's world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more captivating insights into the lives of influential figures. Let us know in the comments whose story you'd like to explore next.